Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make a super far flying paper airplane. Step 1, you just fold it like this. Very simple. Okay. Step 2, you take each side and fold it like this. Now the other side. Now step 3, you're going to just fold it in half. And then make the wings. Other side. Okay. Last but not least, the last step. So you're going to grab a piece of tape and tape it right in the middle so that it doesn't come apart whenever you throw it. And that is how you make a very far flying paper airplane. Hey guys, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.